I am Debasis Basu from Meta Care Clinic, Kolkata. A person who is coughing, dry or wet, doesn't matter. Humidify the environment if required with a humidifier, gargling with lukewarm salt water, ensure ample rest and stay hydrated. These are the 4 basic beneficial pillars that will get you to relieve cough. Before 2 hours, the time that you plan to retire to bed, avoid spicy, fatty food, caffeine or carbonated drinks, maybe too much of alcohol. Otherwise, you can wake up with nagging cough and your mornings can be miserable. Last but not the least, Ayurveda can actually work wonders when it comes to this irritant, dry, persistent cough.